one too. Just
I gotta
save
up.
and make some good investments.
That must be like $20 million.
And you could have one too. Alright, so now, alright, we're gonna do one more walk around. Back this way.
Oh yeah, he's home. Close to the door. He has a freaking Audi. So I go home. You sure? Check again. Maserati before they leave. Thank you. He's like obsessive over here.
Thanks so much, man.
Now you mentioned it is all JDM shit, yeah. Hey, now you mention it.
Which one? Okay, the Challenger. So we have some cars over here, and some actually making a move. So we're gonna walk around and go this way. So we have the pickup here. Come. We'll come back this way. We have an M3 here. See that? Right there. Then we have this bad boy here. See that? Right there. Then we have this guy over here. See that right there. So we're gonna swing around. Actually, we're gonna swing around this way, and we have the AMs over here and the Porsche over here. So we got the Porsche over there. We have the Mclaren over here. That's the Mclaren over here. Okay, so get closer, look at it. Get the vibes from it. So that's the McLaren over here. We got the AMs over here, right there. Looking all beefy. And then it seems like all the BMWs went over there. So we're gonna walk this way. Then you have, still with me? Okay, so you have Ferrari over here, chilling, hanging out over here. You have the Monster, bright yellow, right there, chilling, maxing, relaxing. You have the Porsche over here, another one there. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. We're just walking around. Then you have another Beamer here, looking pretty sweet, right? Then you have the Maz right here, chilling. Then, what else do you have? Another Ferrari right here, looking dope. You have a Skyline right here. Skyline, this is Nissan, Skyline GTR. Very, very fast. It does have turbo. I'm not sure how many turbos it has. I'm sure it's twin turbo. I wouldn't be surprised if it was anything less than that. Yeah, less than that. So let's go back this way. No, I do not. So let's go back this way. Let's go to, pardon me? Okay, so let's go. We're gonna take a walk to the BMW section. They all went that way. So we're gonna go that way. So we're gonna take a walk. You see anything you like so far?
I wanted to go take a picture of the Maserati.
You want to take a picture of the Maserati?
Yes, over there.
Okay, we'll come back, take a picture of the Maserati. So we're gonna walk to this section here, and this one is to the BMW section. And let's check out. You're gonna take pictures of that?
Yeah,
Well, we'll come back. We'll come back and take some pictures. All right. So I'm gonna show you guys the BMWs here. So let's check out. So we have this one here. All right. I'll probably take some pictures for the IG. Then you have that guy there. See that? Okay. You have Mr. Polish over here. Doing his thing. Looking dope. Okay. Then you have this one here. Right. Looking fresh. Nice color, right? It's like a turquoise type color, right? Looking nice, looking nice. So we're gonna walk over here and look at this guy here, the Audi. Check it out. Alright, see that? Okay. Then you have a ZL1 over here, and then we're gonna swing back around. So we're gonna see the ZL1 over here. Right? This guy. I'm not sure. So we're gonna walk. Oh, the SRT. Okay, so let's turn around for the SRT right there.
It's pretty lit.
Okay, so let's walk back this way. So we gotta walk back this way and okay, so we're gonna turn this way. Okay, we have this guy here. Check this guy out. Pretty dope. Okay, so now we have Audis on this side. All right. So you have Audis on this side. We have the white one here. Then you have blue one there. Then you have this charcoal chameleon color here, because this one looks like it can mix depending on how the sun hits it. So that's like a chameleon type of paint, right? Then you have this guy here. Okay, we have that guy here. And I think that's pretty much all the cars. So we're gonna swing, we're gonna look back this way. I think that's pretty much all the cars in this section. So I'll probably come out here, I'd say once in a while, because they have this particular event every other Thursday here. And you know, there's some food stuff, you know, downtown food and different things that you could do over here. But this event is every other Thursday, give or take, from what I understand. So I'm not gonna be at every single one, right? But I'm gonna come to them once in a while and see exactly what's happening. I just found out about this event like 4 or 5 days ago. So apparently they've been doing this event for a very, very long time. And we're about to take some pictures. And if I see any more cars that I want to do video on, I'll definitely do video on that. And this is the Thursday night cruise night at Glen Cove, New York. And this is where they have it every other Thursday. So if you're in the area of Glen Cove, I believe if you hit one School Street in Glen Cove, you'll make it here if you're in the area every other Thursday. All right. So I believe they have a Facebook page as well. So definitely check out the Facebook page if you want to check it out. And we'll do another scan around, walk around, take some pictures for Instagram, and definitely follow me. Let me know what you think of this video, and then we'll go from there. All right. Peace.